What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend BTC. Currently sitting at 27.5. Looks like we're going through ABC correction, down 1.2 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 537 billion, 24-hour volume 9.19 billion. Let's hop into the charts. So I thought we may be looking at a 1-2 setup, but with this recent rollover, it could easily be an ABC correction. So if we take a fib retracement down from the wave one low to the top, your pullback zone, the 50% is a normal target. Anywhere in between the 50% and the 78.6 is where you see a potential bounce, could offer a good long trade opportunity. And of course, the bullish confirmation is a break above 28.6. So this is what I think is a likely scenario: is we come down A, B, come down to wave C, bounce, C continuation to the upside. Another big reason is we're coming to retest the daily bullish cross, a massive bullish signal. We already printed the bullish cross, so it looks like we're just coming back down to retest it. So over the next couple days, well, it could happen today, but over the next couple days, the EMAs will catch up to the candles, and that will offer a beautiful opportunity to see a continuation to the upside as well. We already hit TP1 and TP2 on our trade, moved our stop loss to break even, but that bullish cross could definitely be another opportunity to get in if you're not already in a Bitcoin trade. The DXY, I do think there's a chance we see continuation down from here. Watch for head and shoulders. We have a left shoulder head, potential right shoulder. If we do continue to push up, then that simply means we haven't completed the wave 5, and this is basically a micro 1. That's a wave 2 pullback, and you push up 3, 4, 5. And that would give the opportunity for BTC to come down a little bit more. But if we break that bearish confirmation and we create that head and shoulders, then I would anticipate a straight breakdown in a wave B, which could lead to a straight breakout for BTC. So that's what I'm looking for. Come down a little bit more in the wave C and then start to bounce. I just dropped a trade setup for XRP. We're currently in trades for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and I dropped a trade setup for XRP. My signals are $10 a month. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN for all my US and Canadian traders who are looking for an exchange. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus when you deposit into your futures account. So if you deposit $100, you get $20 completely for free to trade with. If you deposit $1,000, that's $200 in your futures account for free. My subscribers only. My signal is $10 a month. You really can't beat it. Daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups. As I mentioned, I just dropped the trade setup for XRP. And we're in 3 other trades: crypto news, member profits, how to all plays, Forex signals. A lot of Forex trades should be coming this week. I'm giving entries with take profits. So not only can you trade crypto, but also Forex for $10. You spend $10 every single day. You really can't beat it. All links are down below. In the comment section, basic Discord access is free, over 2,000 members. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.